It doesn't even matter. I just wanted to record it for myself because at 5 o'clock, Saturday, dark of morning, a.m. Because who I am and how I love nature in its natural form on earth. I always fed the birds wherever I am. Now, emotional as I am, I'm recording because what it means to me. So, Janice McDonald, she took rice and beans and she went from 11 to 12, from Fairmount to Brown to Marvern to Fairmount. My hands could have frozen because of the temperature outside at the hour 5 a.m. And there's ice forming on the concrete. And because man and his creation took away the natural feeding ground for the birds to eat naturally. So I think around 9 o'clock, I'm going to go out again on the other side from 11 to 10, from Fairmount to Brown. I don't care. I have on gloves the next time. But I don't want the birds to freeze without being fed. Because they used to fly south, but the climate, atmosphere, and environment change. So they can't realize where to feed, where to eat. But I know they know I am around to feed them. Because I always shall. I have to. It's just in me. I will feed a bird before I feed a human being. Because we have a decision to go and say yeah and nay. But when man took away the feeding ground, natural habitat for the birds to eat, that's why you see them floating around concrete. Give them something googly, then you'll know what you can throw out there so they can grow and live longer. Damn it, it's going to be a freezing weekend. I don't know about what will fall down like they say about the deep storm snow. All I know is, before you throw it away, can you think about the birds? They gotta live and eat to survive.